A showdown on the river. Two different groups want a contract to operate the barges on the Riverwalk.
Eyewitness News reporter James Keith shows us how the winner will be picked and why the decision is in dispute.
An evaluation committee looked at 5 different proposals. One that came from a San Antonio-based company came in first, but the one the city is recommending is from a company based in Chicago. It came in second. New barges are coming to the Riverwalk. Former Texas Secretary of State Hope Andrade and restaurant owner Lisa Wong want the job of running them. They teamed up with Landry's and made a pitch.
Hope and myself are very accomplished, successful businesswomen here in San Antonio for the last 35-40 years. It's not our first rodeo.
4 teams submitted proposals in January. The city recommended Chicago-based San Antonio River Cruises. Proposals were thrown out, though, and re-requested in March after concerns were raised about the selection process. Take a look. This is the matrix used to rank the 5 teams who submitted new plans. Andrade and Wong's team, Go Rio, scored first.
I think that we've got a hospitality and operator dream team.
The Go Rio team was surprised, though, to learn city staff is once again recommending the Chicago team, which ranked a close second on the matrix.
Bottom line is we ranked first.
Assistant City Manager Carlos Contreras, who oversaw the process, says the Go Rio team came in first on the matrix because of points earned for being local and for being a small business. He says the Chicago group simply has more experience and qualifications.
These folks are in that business. That's what they do. They've been doing this in many cities.
But Go Rio says they followed the rules and question why there's a matrix if the results are going to be ignored.
You know, it was done that way so there could be a transparent process in place with a clear winner and loser.
Both groups will make 20-minute presentations to City Council this Wednesday. Council members are expected to make a final decision in the coming days. Reporting from the Riverwalk, James Keith, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.